Welcome to Travel News Weekly by Turnpikes.com for June 22nd, 2026, shortened this week due to the holiday weekend. We start by looking at gas prices, which are down for the fourth consecutive week, with the American Automobile Association reporting the national average is now under $4 per gallon for the first time since the end of March. As of Monday morning, with everyone heading back to work, the price of a gallon of regular unleaded gas was down to $3.93 per gallon. That is down over 60 cents since prices peaked about a month ago. For truckers, the average price of diesel was poised to drop below $5 per gallon, with the national average sitting just over that key threshold as of Monday morning, according to the AAA. The Illinois Tollway is proposing raising tolls for regular passenger cars, not just commercial trucks, for the first time in several years. Commuters and travelers have been paying the same rate for a decade or more, while truck rates have continued to increase every year on January 1st. But this year, the Illinois Tollway is proposing raising rates for all drivers, and that has prompted the agency to set a dozen public hearings for July in anticipation of commuter interest. The proposed toll increase would apply to iPass discount programs as well. Illinois Tollway is also proposing a biannual toll increase for all vehicles beginning in 2029 and pegged to the inflation rate based on specific numbers from the Consumer Price Index. The first of the hearings starts July 13th, with the last one set for July 24th. About half are scheduled during the early evening hours, the others scheduled during the midday to accommodate various schedules. We have that schedule pinned on our Facebook page, and you can visit IllinoisTollway.com, Driving Connections, to see the schedule and submit a public comment, as well as see the proposed rates. In case you missed it, July 13th is the final day to submit comments on a bridge replacement plan for the Delaware River Bridge, the key connector between New Jersey and Pennsylvania for their turnpikes. The New Jersey Turnpike Authority and the PA Turnpike Commission presented their final selection for the chosen alternative replacement earlier this month. The plan is to replace the existing 70-year-old bridge with a new span that will have a 100-year service life. Tolls are set to increase in several locations across the nation July 1st, including the Louisville toll bridges, which are the I-65 bridges adjacent to downtown Louisville, as well as the Lewis and Clark Bridge and Tunnel located on the East Loop on State Road 841. That's 841 both in Kentucky and Indiana. Meanwhile, Indiana toll road rates are due to increase at the start of the month as well, with new semi-annual toll increases starting later this year. In California, tolls are going up on the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco, and in Florida, just in time for summer vacations, Orlando area tolls are poised to head higher for the roads controlled by the Central Florida Expressway Authority. Again, those rates increase July 1st. That will wrap up our news brief. To follow the holiday weekend going back to work, please remember to drive safely and avoid distracted driving. Our regular newscast will be back next week. I'm Danny Pryor reporting for Turnpikes.com, the Turnpike Authority.